Hey, hi all. Let's see how to set up the Spring Boot application in just 5 steps. Step 1. Go to start.spring.io. Step 2. You need to generate the project by choosing the type of project and the language specific and the metadata information of the project. You can modify this information as per your requirement. I just want to package it to R and my machine is running on 8, so I keep it as 8. And the best part here is you can add the dependencies like Spring Web Tools and security tools. For the time being, I just want to generate the default project. So let's go ahead and click on the generate button. A demo file has been generated into your machine. Step 3. Extract the demo folder that has been generated. Step 4. You need to import this project into Eclipse or STS. Go to File, Import, choose Maven and existing Maven projects. Next, browse, choose the path, select the folder, click on Finish. A demo file has been imported. You can see the pom.xml that has been generated. Here you can add the dependencies. Let's see if this project is being built or not. Right click on the project, go to run as, click on Maven install. Oops. Yeah. Before building, what we need to see is we need to keep the compiler as JDK. By default, it runs on JRE. So we need to change it. To change it, you need to click on the project, go to properties, libraries, and JRE, and you need to edit it. Go to alternate JRE, choose installed, add, next, directory, and choose the path of JDK. Select folder, click on finish, and point it to the JDK. Click on apply and close. Choose the workspace default as JDK. Click on finish. Click on apply and close. Again, go to the right project. Right click on the project. Go to run as. Click on Maven install. And the build is success. You are done. You can also set up the Spring Boot application manually, but it takes a lot of time. So the best part to kickstart with Spring Boot is to choose the Spring Initializer. Thank you.